guys, my name's Haley and I just filmed this beachy hair tutorial, and if you want to see how I achieved this, then keep on watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're all pretty new here because I just started this channel, but this is called Hair by Hales because I'm a hairstylist here in Canada. I work at a salon called Chatters and it's well known across Canada, so if you have a Chatters near you, you should go check it out. But today I'm going to be showing you guys a beached hair tutorial with using a flat iron. This channel is going to be about like little quick tutorials and showing you guys how to kind of style your hair at home if you're in a rush or if you just want to learn a new style. So if you like these kind of videos, keep on watching. So I just got out of the shower, well, like 20 minutes ago, and I blow dried my hair, I set it with everything. The only thing I have in my hair right now is a leave-in spray and some Guts 10 that I put on the roots. So they look like this. So this is the leave-in spray. It's called One United by Redken. It is like the best for helping with detangling knots and just giving some moisture to your hair. And then I use Guts 10 on the roots, and it gives a lot of like, it plumps your hair, kind of gives a little bit of a grit in the root, and it helps finer hair like myself get more volume. Okay, and then I just like blow dry that all in, and now I'm gonna do some beach waves, and I'm gonna do my Vibe flat iron. So this one actually, it goes up to 390. But fun fact and hot tip is that you don't need your flat iron to go right up to like 450. The only time you need that is if you're like really have like curly hair. But people with hair like my texture, you only need to set it to about like halfway because it will do the job just as well. So cool thing about this flat iron is that it actually vibrates. If you can hear that there. It vibrates, so it's less like, it's not damaging your hair as much because it's skimming the hair instead of like hurting, like ripping the hair, you know? So this one is very good if you have very damaged hair and like to straighten your hair a lot. So I'm gonna create some beach waves with this little guy. And so first we're gonna section our hair. It doesn't have to be pretty or anything because beach waves can look a little bit more undone and messy. But we section it like that. Sometimes I don't even section my hair. Sometimes I'll literally just take sections and just go about because my hair is not crazy thick. But if you are someone out there that has a lot of like thicker hair, then you can for surely just section it up. The trick to beach waves is to take a section of hair, and then I'm doing this in a viewfinder, so it's very small. But yeah, you take a section, and the trick is to leave the tip out. Like you don't want to straighten the tip because that will give you that like beachy, more like separated, piecey look. So, and when you're going about it, you only want to turn it like once and then drag down and kind of like leave it out like that. I don't know if you can see that, but. And then at the end, we're going to break it all up. So I'm just going to do this bottom section and then I'll show you how to do the top. So you just drag it down and leave the bottom out like that. And then after, if you curled it too much or did something wrong, you could always just like tap the ends like that, and then, yeah. Just the trick is, like with curling with a flat iron, if you twist it like more than once, you're gonna get more of like a spiral wave. When you're just turning it, clamping it, turning it like halfway or like once and then drag down, you get more of that like beachy kind of look. Yeah. Just take it. And you don't want to be like holding it on the hair like too long. You want to kind of like always gradually like do it, because if you clamp it and leave it there for too long, it's gonna leave a big like indent, and that's what a lot of people at home I know struggle with. And then the same thing on the opposite side. You want to always make sure, like when you get to the front piece, it's going away from your face. But when we get into the middle sections, you can kind of like alternate. But then the top section, you always want to make sure it's going away, just so that it's not going into your face. And then you can go like this. drag down, kind of twist. Right now I've been really loving using a 1-inch iron to do my beach waves, but I know a lot of people have flat irons at home and they like to use flat irons for a lot of things, and it is quick to do this, but yeah. I can give you guys a tutorial on a 1-inch if you guys want that. But yeah. Then we're gonna section the next one. So just section. And on this one, so the first one we're gonna go away from the face. Or the first couple will go away. Go away like that. You guys, this is so hard doing this in a little tiny viewfinder. This one you can kind of like bring in like that and go down. Just change it up. And then we'll go back. And so far it's looking like that. This is also a good gift if you are Christmas shopping currently. You guys can get one of these at any Chatters online or Chatters. This is literally my favorite flat iron I've ever had. And I have like a few of them. I have one at the salon, one at home. Here's a little close-up one. I'll give you. And then this final section, I'm just gonna take one drying section. I think, yeah. I can just do one section. Like I said, sometimes I don't even part it if I really want it to be like a really messy beach wave. And then take, and I have like bangs that I'm like kind of growing out right now, but. And I'm new to the whole like camera on tripod and like filming things, so bear with me. Just turn once and drag down and leave it like that. Also, I do have tinsels in my hair if you can see. Give you a little zoom into that. See the little tinsels? So they are totally fine to curl with and stuff. Like nothing, like they're meant for the hair, okay? They just are very festive and nice for the holiday season. I'm obsessed with them though. I've had them in for at least like 3 months now. It's looking like that. If you guys have any other video requests or anything, for sure let me know down below in the comments. I love to do what people want to see. And right down. Do you guys ever do that when you're looking into the mirror and you're like trying to like get it on there and it just like doesn't work? It happens to me. It is a different perspective when you're doing your hair like yourself, like looking into a mirror versus doing like an actual guest hair at work. Like it's two different things, but like I feel you guys at home with the struggles. Just drag down and leave that tip out. The beach waves don't have to be like proper or perfect, so yeah. Okay, we're back. So it's looking like this. Now we're gonna use a little bit of a product. So we could either use our windblown or we could use our triple dry texture spray by Redken. I like this one, smells good too. Just spray it in there. My hair is very soft and very like just very small texture. Spray the bangs a little bit if you want, but then you can just kind of like toss the texture in it. Beach waves are gonna look a little different because the hair sits different, the hair is different, but this is my version of my beach waves and how I like to wear them and do them.